verniet de room suede si curtine fakta från frude curtine think you see most perfect as suppose in fact as you just repeat practically we are going to a cloudy totally cloudy suppose atmosphere also according to the read and so this means that later will become more cloudy more obscure and also that cool the rain but as we know so don't imagine so wizards as you want to see and if it's a clear second game bad well so is the mythical wind and new no so is the mythical wind and the curtain was white at news in some months always white fact at the depends the color of the flowers in the sense that the previous the color of the previous curtain second was yellow or gold while this one it seems to me like the color of the first one pink so there as always in the room from the wind and new curtain since I was two practically since more than 2 years and also in the beautiful paintermese but always not visible fact also in general visible meta visible instantly any shot at the front in general shot and as che I shoot reverse enemy to significate in general visible meta visible instantly on this shot to significate the front in general shot and finally remember the key in GX 640 PG 625 or significate in this general shot sistema da vivo, sono facendo le persone. La striscia che tengo sopra. Sono un buon stato domani, sono una terza. Adesso perché? Fare lì, io poi la bretta back. Today, slightly late at not for me. In fact, late early for my hours. But the whole important is that while still far away from the regular reaction, less than 2033, it was a star day when in fact I'm breakfast. At 15 minutes, you can believe it. I started with it at 15 so in part remember that yes, if it was 2 years yesterday, so I don't think that the record of the minutes was tragical. However, today it is like because noon and 10, 15 minutes. But the really important thing to show us remember that inside me also today, fortunately with the song. I'm really happy. And as we always to say, breakfast is the most things left from the I'm sorry. What's in this year? Is a million generation. Also, tomorrow, I suppose, if I don't die, in fact, I don't know until tomorrow what will happen, we'll see.